Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kolur Krishna from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 17th August 2025, Avani Masam, first day. Vishwasanam Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Vashardo, Avani Masam, that is Simha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 8:53 p.m. Navami, then Dashami, Sunday, that is Bhanuvasam, Nakshatram up to 6:49 a.m. Kritikai, then Rohini. Today's Rahukalam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Gulikalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtam for Tula Rashi. Prachitam Jangri Sradhati Shunyam.